the circle of life, surrounded by elements, not just the practical elements which we see around, but also paths of emotions, understanding, acceptance, and loving endlessly. What we have, what we perceive, and what we are going to give back to the society. As the introduction was given, there was one little mention of saving or maybe helping animals around. I don't call it a rescue. Rescue is when the animal is in trouble and I facilitate that particular organism. I feel, I believe that it was my duty to help the animal survive on this planet because we are responsible for it. This is the first time my father is sitting right in front of me and I'm going to quote an example which he taught me back while I was 13-year-old. While I understood the actual existence, the meaning of existence of life, where few puppies from my society were thrown away somehow because of the menace created, the poops they have, and we are intolerant. We humans are acing in being intolerant towards anything and everything around on this planet. Be it nature, be it technology, be it anything. While I started rescuing, I used to go rush around day and night, holding animals, picking them up, taking them to hospital, doing the treatment. My father made me sit one fine day. Bharg, how long are you going to do this? This is a never-ending process. Infinity. This is a never-ending process. You need to go beyond. How you can stop the infinity of pain, the infinity of lack of empathy from the humankind towards the nature. While I talk about nature, it is not just animals, but looking beyond it. Fire, air, water, spirituality, humanity. He told me, what you are doing is nice. You are watering the leaves and flowers of the plant, which will make the plant look nice. As the fellow speaker already mentioned, holding onto the roots. But simultaneously, we also need to make sure that we give the appropriate nutrition and we nurture the roots for better fruits and leaves alongside. Doing that, we have belief systems in the society. The knowledge gave us certain belief systems, but with time passing, the belief system started hiding its true meaning. We stopped questioning it, and the knowledge started getting vanished. Let us again relook, open our hearts and minds towards everything we do. While I say this, again breaking the chain of infinity. The action is not just the karma. The thoughts, the words, and every other thing which I do. It's not just if I don't like somebody, if someone is hitting an animal, I'll feel, "Arey, ye kya insaan hai? Why is he hitting an animal just sitting on the roadside?" But I used to have this thought process as a young child. कोई भी किसी जानवर को मारेगा. If anybody is tending to hurt an animal, I used to go and fight for that animal, being an animal right activist. But then one fine day, my father again told me, Bharg, if you want to be in this process, you need to understand the differences and accept it. Now, while we break and upgrade ourselves, go beyond, we also need to accept the differences of the society. Until and unless we will not be able to do that. While I look at someone who doesn't have the same kind of empathy which I have towards organisms, other organisms around me, I give a positive thought out there. It's okay, sir, ma'am, if you don't feel the same, I respect you with it. But at least we need to respect the existence. I am not asking you to love the animal in the same manner I do, but at least give it the basic right to live and survive on this planet. If not help, then at least not disturb. There's a famous saying by Bharg Setu Sharma that why anyone else, why not me? So whatever I do, I don't want others to start. I believe that nobody else but me. I'll do that. So that's how my journey till now has been a very beautiful one with highs and a little less highs. Rescuing animals, understanding people around, giving clear concept of what life is, how beautiful, infinite thought process can be. Now when I saw my little infinity right now of 24 hours, let us go on a broader perspective. Infinity is not just restricted to time, but it involves everything. Day to day, we believe that we are upgrading ourselves. And to again quote it, we believe that concretization is upgradation. I'm so sorry. The technology and the concretization is not just the upgradation. We need to see on the other side that we are creating a disbalance between us and the nature, the one which is provider of this existence. Let us all, not saying big words for my fellow students here, but please understand life beyond the technology, concretization, and understand the girth of existence with beauty of love, attachment, empathy, ample amount of gratitude. If nothing in life, the one thing which we will have till end is to give out love. No matter to our haters, no matter to someone whom we don't like, the only thing which we have in X numbers in infinity is love, care, and gratitude. With this, I thank you and I wish that we will now all look towards the society in a very beautiful way, create a very beautiful infinity and go beyond it in terms of humanity. Thank you. Jai Hind.